Hello, Carol Reve here. I'm very excited to announce that I've set up a whole new training section. I've gone through and redid all my training videos. I'm very excited about it. Um, this is the GDI resource page. When you sign up for GDI, you'll get this resource page sent to you in your welcome email. At least you should. Okay? If you'll see the capture pages and all the information and share codes and everything will be, and then you'll come to this little section right here where you can either click on this image or click right here for training. We also have a Facebook group right here that you can click and you can request to be added to it, or a click right here for instructions on the $25 learning bonus. Now when you click over to the training, like I said, I've gone through and done all the video over again. I've done them all according to the GDI six-figure funnel that I have set up. So this is just on how to set up your email series. Okay, that's how important that is. And then the next video is how to set up your sales page. Okay, the links over how to adjust certain things. Then this one is how to set up your bridge page. And capture pages or landing pages. A lot of people call them different things. Okay, and then after that, this is how to set up a pop-up, how to set up an ad bar, and how to set up your 10 pro ads for hands-free traffic. I'm very excited about this. I went through and literally redid these videos all over again, okay? So what I want to say with this is these are easy to follow, easier to follow than the ones. So you should be able to follow them. Even if you've never been on Lead Sleep before, you should be able to follow them. If anyone needs help now with me setting up the funnel, I'm going to charge for it. Okay? So look these videos over, study them. You can do this. Okay? So I'm very excited about this. Very excited about the funnel and the capture pages and how you can use this for of course the GDI, but you can use this for any business online, this funnel. Alrighty. Each capture page has a pop-up. Pop-ups increase. In order to have success, you have to have opt-ins to start with. Okay, so these are really beautiful capture pages. These are just a couple of them. Okay, as I said, you can use these for anything. Okay, so you can go to the link below and check out the capture pages for yourself. If you join GDI, you join below me in Lead Sleep, you also get my additional capture pages for those members that join me in Lead Sleep besides in GDI. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. Click the link below and take a look for yourself.